Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a boy with a hat. At first I'm drawing the shape of the face. This is how I draw. I always draw a shape of everything at first, then I go into details, then I draw the details of the picture, of the portrait, everything. So if you want, then you can also try this way to do it. At first you have to draw the shape, then you slowly add the details of the picture or portrait or whatever you are drawing. I'm using BTS Jimin pic as a reference. It's a reference pic. Here I'm using a normal. Now I'm drawing the hands that holding the hat or cap.
প্রতিদিন এসে কও পেপর যতক্ষণ ততক্ষণ হেঁটে করে পাও না তুমি কালে তো কইলে উদিনকেও তো কইলে কেন পাওনি ওইটা অভ্যাস খারাপ
Now draw the center line, draw the eye, draw the line for the eyebrows. Oh, there will be no eyebrows, there will be just eyes. Now I'm giving the shape of the eye. At first just draw a circle and then you start to shape the eye. The way I draw nose is, at first you have to draw the triangle, then you have to blend it out, then yes, you got your nose. But I feel that this is the easy way, that's why I draw it in this way. But if I want, then I can draw in other ways too. But if you want, then you can follow this way to draw the nose. I am using a cotton bud to blend, but if you have a tissue paper to blend, you can use it too. If you have blending stem, then you can also use that too. I feel this is a easy way to draw the nose, that's why I draw in this way. If you love my video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you want, then you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Now I'm drawing the lips. Now I'm correcting the shape of the face. Now dark the between of the lips. Now I'm drawing the cap. You have to do a lot of practice to draw the hands. Now I'm still practicing, so it's not perfect, but I'm practicing, so it will be perfect someday. So I will tell you to practice too. Now I'm drawing the bracelets. Now I'm drawing the shadows of the t-shirt. Now I'm drawing the hair. If you are a beginner, then you have to do a little bit practice to draw the correct stroke for the hair. So practice a lot. Now I'm blending the caps. For the lips, I removed the dark line for the lips, dark lines, harsh lines for the lips. Now I'm just using a cotton bud to blend it out. I did draw the lips, but then I removed it and I just filled the lips with the blending. Blend it properly to make it look good. It's almost done. Now highlight. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.